Minexa handles the entire extraction workflow automatically, perfectly suited to scrape flight route listings quickly and at scale from complex sites like Cheapoair.com. Go to the Cheapoair.com flight listings page you want to scrape. Minexa automatically detects the page structure, so no manual setup is needed. Open the Minexa.ai Chrome extension. It works directly on fully loaded dynamic pages in your browser to get you started fast. Click the violet button that says, "I'm on the right page," so Minexa can analyze the layout and detect the flight route listings automatically. Minexa detected the pagination and collects all pages automatically, so your data gathering won't stop at just the first page. Decide whether to scrape only the flight route results or to click into each listing for more detailed information. Click Continue for standard pages, or switch to advanced mode if you need to navigate or input data before full results appear. Minexa has highlighted the data section automatically. If this block looks correct, just click Create Scraper and it will detect all flight route data points in minutes. All data points such as routes, prices, dates, and airlines are mapped accurately. Select the columns you need to keep extraction consistent and precise every time. Click the API Request button to generate code that lets you scrape up to 50,000 URLs in one batch, processed automatically in parallel. Validate your setup and click Complete Configuration. This blueprint ensures every future extraction follows your exact settings perfectly. Minexa detected the Next Page button automatically, so every page of results is included. Just continue, and the scraper handles all navigation seamlessly. Validate your scraping job setup. Optionally connect Google Sheets, so each run automatically pushes fresh flight route listings and prices there. Click Run to start the job. Minexa produces clean, structured data ready for direct use in analytics or ETL, scraping routes, prices, dates, and airlines reliably. Every column is tied to a fixed page point, so flight routes, prices, departure dates, and airlines never get mixed up, even across thousands of rows. The data is exact, consistent, and reliable for your needs. Download your results easily. Each row corresponds to one flight route listing with prices, organized into clear, consistent columns. Every value is taken directly from the page without guessing or interpretation, giving you structured data exactly as it appears on Cheapoair.com for confident decision-making.